Hello students, today we are going to study Mathematics Part 2 of Standard 10th, Chapter number 5, Coordinate Geometry. Earlier we studied about the number lines. Now today we will see the distance between 2 points. First we will take to find the distance between any 2 points on an axis. First, to find distance between 2 points on x-axis, let point A x1 0 and B x2 0 are 2 points on x-axis such that x2 is greater than x1. Then distance AB equal to x2 minus x1. Similarly, P0 y1 and Q0 y2 are point on the y-axis such that y2 is greater than y1. Then distance PQ equal to y2 minus y1. Second, to find the distance between 2 points of the segment joining this point is parallel to any axis in xy plane. As you can see on the screen, AB is parallel to x-axis. Hence distance AB equal to x2 minus x1. Now PQ is parallel to y-axis. Hence distance PQ equal to y2 minus y1. Now we will see the formula for distance between 2 points in xy plane. Let AX1 y1 and BX2 y2 are any 2 points in the xy plane. Then distance AB equal to under root of x2 minus x1 bracket square plus y2 minus y1 bracket square. Here you can take either x1 minus x2 bracket square plus y1 minus y2 bracket square. If we want to find the distance of the point from the origin, then it will be under root x square plus y square. Now we will move on to practice set 5.1. Question number 1. Find the distance between each of the following pairs of points. First, A23 and B41. Let A23 is x1 y1 and B41 is x2 y2. Then by distance formula, AB square equal to x1 minus x2 bracket square plus y1 minus y2 bracket square. So AB equal to under root of 2 minus 4 bracket square plus 3 minus 1 bracket square. After solving we will get minus 2 square plus 2 square, which will be 4 plus 4 equal to under root of 8. After simplification we will get AB equal to 2 root 2. Now we will move on to question number 3. R0 minus 3 and S0 5 upon 2. Let R0 minus 3 is x1 y1 and S0 5 upon 2 are x2 y2. Now by distance formula, Rs equal to under root of 0 minus 0 bracket square plus minus 3 minus 5 upon 2 bracket square. So after solving we will get minus 11 upon 2 bracket square and equal to under root of 121 upon 4 equal to 11 upon 2. Now we will move on to question number 5. T minus 3 6 and R 9 minus 10. Now we will take T minus 3 6 as x1 y1 and R 9 minus 10 is x2 y2. So by distance formula, TR square equal to x1 minus x2 bracket square plus y1 minus y2 bracket square. After putting value we will get TR equal to under root of minus 3 minus 9 bracket square plus 6 minus minus 10 bracket square. We will get minus 12 square plus 16 square. After solving we will get under root of 400, which is equal to 20. So TR equal to 20. Now we will move on to question number 2. Determine whether the points are collinear. First, A1 minus 3, B2 minus 5 and C minus 4 7. Now as we know the distance formula, distance AB equal to under root of in bracket 1 minus 2 bracket square plus in bracket minus 3 minus minus 5 bracket square. After solving, we will get distance AB equal to under root 5. Now BC equal to under root of in bracket 2 minus minus 4 bracket square plus bracket minus 5 minus 7 bracket square. After solving, we will get BC equal to 6 root 5. Now AC equal to under root of in bracket minus 1 minus minus 4 bracket square plus bracket minus 3 minus 7 bracket square. After solving, we will get AC equal to 5 root 5. Now if we will observe AB plus AC equal to under root 5 plus 5 root 5 equal to 6 root 5, which is equal to BC. Therefore, the given points lie on the same line, so they are collinear. Similarly, in example number 3, R03 D21 S3 minus 1, we will get RD equal to 2 root 2, DS equal to root 5 and RS equal to 5. If you will observe, the sum of two sides is not equal to the third side. Hence, given points are not collinear. Now we will move on to question number 3. Find the point on the x-axis which is equidistant from a minus 3, 4 and b 1 minus 4. Let PA0 is equidistance from point A and B. First we will find out distance PA equal to bracket A minus minus 3 bracket square plus bracket 0 minus 4 bracket square. So we will get A plus 3 bracket square plus 16. Similarly, distance PB equal to under root of A minus 1 bracket square plus 0 minus minus 4 bracket square. So we will get under root of A minus 1 bracket square plus 16. Now by given condition, PA square equal to PB square. So we will get A plus 3 bracket square plus 16 equal to A minus 1 bracket square plus 16. Now 16 gets cancelled out. Now by formula A plus B bracket square and A minus B bracket square, we will get A square plus 6A plus 9 equal to A square minus 2A plus 1. Now again A square gets cancelled out. If we will shift minus 2A towards the left hand side and 9 towards the right hand side, we will get 8A equal to minus 8. After solving, we will get A equal to minus 1. Therefore, point A0 is equidistant from point AB. Now we will move on to question number 5. Show that points P2 minus 2, Q7, 3, R11 minus 7 and S6 minus 6 are vertices of a parallelogram. Now, first we will take side PQ. So distance PQ equal to 3 minus minus 2 bracket square plus 7 minus 2 bracket square. So we will get 5 root 2. QR equal to under root of 7 minus 11 bracket square plus 3 minus minus 1 bracket square. So we will get 4 root 2. RS equal to under root of 11 minus 6 bracket square plus minus 1 minus minus 6 bracket square. We will get 5 root 2. Now PS equal to under root of 2 minus 6 bracket square plus minus 2 minus minus 6 bracket square. Then we will get 4 root 2. Now if you will observe, PQ equal to RS and QR equal to PS. The opposite sides of quadrilateral are equal. Hence the given points form a parallelogram. Now we will move on to question number 7. Find x if distance between points L, x7 and M115 is 10. Now as given is distance LM equal to 10. Therefore by distance formula, LM equal to under root of x minus 1 bracket square plus 7 minus 15 bracket square equal to 10. After solving, we will get under root of x minus 1 bracket square plus 64 equal to 10. Now squaring on both the sides, we will get x minus 1 bracket square plus 64 equal to 100. By formula a minus b bracket square, we will get x square minus 2x plus 1 plus 64 equal to 100. After solving, we will get x square minus 2x minus 35 equal to 0, which is quadratic equation. After solving quadratic equation, we will get x plus 5 into x minus 7 equal to 0. So after solving, we will get x equal to minus 5 or x equal to 7.